guys watch my channel a lot, you know that today is Thursday, and on Thursday, we do something special. On every Thursday evening, we do a live stream where we go for the Kith Restocks. In case you don't know, Kith has been restocking for it seems like the past couple of months now, every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Central Time. So, if you guys want to be a part of that stream, if you want to come watch us cop on Shopify, you want to learn a few things together, hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when we go live tonight. Make sure you stick around for the stream. But in today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about these Kith restocks. What is happening during these restocks? Why or why not that we're copping? Taking a lot of L's here on these Kith restocks, and we have learned a ton. So if you guys want to learn with us, if you want to hopefully answer some of those questions as to why you're not copping, or maybe why you're not copping more, stick around, watch this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and make sure you have the bell turned on. That way you're notified when we post brand new videos. Hope that you guys enjoy. Now let's talk about the Kith Thursday restocks. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, if you guys have been watching the channel for a bit, you guys know that for the past 2 weeks, we have live streamed on Thursday night going for these Kith restocks using Valor AIO and Mech AIO. I'll try to put some footage up on the screen right now while we go over some of the problems from the first 2 weeks that we've had. Hopefully you guys can learn from some of these issues. Now, the very first week that we went for these Kith restocks, our biggest problem was honestly a lack of knowledge. If I'm being perfectly honest with you, I haven't tried to buy Shopify in probably 8 months to a year. So I was completely lost, and I was just as washed as could be. We're talking like old-timey, like Little House on the Prairie washboard type washed. That's how washed we were week 1. So obviously we knew we needed to start our task early enough to not get stuck in the super long queue that Kith has every single Thursday night. We're talking about a queue that gets upwards of 15 to 20 minutes in the span of a couple seconds, because everyone is trying to start their task in that perfect window. Well, we tried week 1. We started too late. We weren't able to get it. Week 2, we were too early. The thing is, we got through queue, but we got through queue too fast. So we got through queue around 8:58 p.m. and by the time stock loaded at 9:01, we had already been re-queued again. Instead of passing queue, picking up product and going straight to checkout like we want. Now last week was our best chance yet. We were running for, I think last week we were running for dunks maybe, and we started our task a little bit too late, but some of them we started at the exact right time that we needed. So we got through queue. Unfortunately, what we were running for just didn't restock, and when we mass link changed, it was too slow and we weren't able to get anything. We solved our captures fast, so that really wasn't a hindrance. The only problem was we weren't running for the right products. So what products are even restocking on Kith? How do you know what's going to restock on these Thursday Kith restocks? Luckily for you guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I can't tell you for sure what's going to be restocking tonight, but I can give you a list. I can give you an idea. Let's get you guys on the screen, and we'll talk about what may be restocking tonight and every Thursday. Let's get you on the screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to specify that everything you see here is courtesy of Valor AIO. I will not be posting these links down below, but everything that you see here is courtesy of Justin and the team over at Valor AIO. I don't take any credit for doing any of this work myself. This is something that they did for all the members, and really just for everyone's knowledge. So this isn't anything I put together. This is all them. This is what they did. But you guys can see some of the shoes that they have. They have the early links for all of these. Now, for some of you guys, the early link, that may be what you need. Some bots prefer the early link. Valor, on the other hand, prefers keywords. As you guys can see, they even list right here how they want it. They want plus and then the keyword on Kith. And then whenever you start your task, it goes waiting for product. Then you press the mask link change button, enter in a webhook. You guys know what I'm talking about. Now each bot, like I said, has its recommended setup. If you guys run Valor AIO, then you know that each Thursday we go over the setup for that week. We talk about what we think is going to restock, because luckily some of the guys in Valor's Discord, they have a little bit of a leg up when it comes to knowing what's going to restock. They don't always know 100%, but some of the stuff they say is extremely accurate and precise. So if you guys want a little bit of a leg up, you want to know what may be restocking, have a little bit higher of a chance to hit, I highly suggest that you join the stream tonight at 8 p.m. Central. That's what time we're going to start. We'll have an hour of setup time. We will answer every single question. I have access to pretty much every single bot on the market, so we'll go through each bot that you guys want set up. We'll talk about what proxies to use, how many tasks to run, what proxies you should be running in your harvesters, things like that. We've been learning a lot these past few weeks, and the best part about this whole thing is I'm learning right alongside you guys. I am not a Shopify botter like I am on Yeezy Supply or Footsites back in the day, but we're all learning together. We're going to figure out these Kith restocks because quite honestly, these Thursday Kith restocks are the most consistent thing that we have right now, and it's our best chance to cop any shoes. Last week, for example, several Valor users were able to hit foam runners, Yeezy slides, thousands of dollars profit in just a few seconds. So if you guys want to be a part of the stream, if you want a chance to cop thousands of dollars of profit shoes, join the stream. Have your post notifications turned on, and we will be streaming tonight at 8 p.m. Central. Make sure you guys are there, and we will be going over every single thing you need to get you guys ready to cop. Tonight we'll go over what shoes are restocking, delays that you should be running, all of that you need, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you have a great rest of your Thursday, and I know for a fact that we'll see all of you guys tonight in chat at 8 p.m. Central. Hope you guys have a great day, guys. Happy botting, happy reselling. This is Soul State signing out.